Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to use the cash log section in the Slimrate admin panel and how to quickly find information about cash operations in your cash drawers. First, log into the Slimrate admin panel and go to the cash log section in the left menu. On the main screen, you'll immediately see all active cash drawers. For each one, you can view its status and the current cash amount inside. This lets you get an overview of your cash situation at a glance, without any extra steps. Now, let's open one of the drawers and take a closer look at the available information. I'll open the second drawer in the list. You'll see the Cash Operations Journal for this drawer. At the top of the screen, there are filters that help you quickly find